Welcome back to Great Garden, a place for those who truly love orchids. What would you do when your favorite orchid pot suddenly starts to wilt? The leaves turn yellow and fall, and the root system grows weaker day by day. Don't worry, in today's video, I'll share an extremely simple method to revive orchids, using only familiar ingredients from your kitchen that anyone can apply. After a short time, you'll see a clear revival of the plant. White, plump, and healthy new roots, fresh green leaves that become firm and glossy again. And most importantly, the plant may even produce buds, send up strong flower spikes, and bloom more beautifully than expected. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on simple yet effective orchid care tips. Let's get started right away. To start making this type of organic fertilizer, the first ingredient I choose is aloe vera. First, I cut 2 aloe vera leaves and begin chopping them into small pieces. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Chopping the aloe vera into small pieces helps increase the surface area, allowing the vitamins, enzymes, and nutrients inside to be released more quickly and efficiently. Thanks to this process, the extraction becomes more effective, producing a nutrient-rich solution that helps orchids absorb nutrients better and grow healthier. Next, I will put all the chopped aloe vera into a clean glass cup. Then, add 500 milliliters of room temperature clean water. Finally, cover it with a lid and let the solution soak for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I strain out the aloe vera pulp. This liquid is the natural nutrient essence from the aloe vera, containing gel, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals in their most easily absorbable form. Next, I add vitamin B1 to the prepared solution. For orchids, B1 acts as a growth activator, helping to stimulate young roots to sprout quickly, encouraging healthy new shoots, and enabling the plant to recover faster after weakening. I use 3 B1 tablets, dropping them directly into the solution. Stir well until the tablets are completely dissolved. Thorough stirring helps the vitamin disperse evenly, allowing the orchid roots to absorb the nutrients to the fullest. As a result, the plant quickly regains strength, its roots grow strong, the leaves become lush and green. Then, add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. And that's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. Method 1. First, I pour the diluted aloe vera and vitamin B1 solution into a specialized watering can. Next, gently water around the base of the orchid, so the solution gradually seeps into the growing medium, reaching the entire root system. Aloe vera provides plenty of vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes, supporting the rapid growth and healthy recovery of young roots. Vitamin B1 acts as a growth stimulator, strengthening the roots, promoting quick emergence of new shoots, and enhancing the plant's nutrient absorption. You should apply this watering method once a week. Once the plant is stable and growing well, you can reduce the frequency to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain long-term health. During watering, do it slowly, and use just enough water to avoid waterlogging. Keep the growing medium well aerated, and help the roots absorb nutrients most effectively. Method 2. Next, I pour the prepared aloe vera and vitamin B, one solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to lightly soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the orchid's leaves. The aloe vera solution, rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes, helps remove dust, mineral deposits, and long-standing residues on the leaves, while soothing the leaf tissue and supporting rapid recovery. Vitamin B1 acts as a growth stimulator, enhancing metabolism, boosting resistance, and supporting healthy root and shoot development. As a result, the orchid's leaves gradually become lush, shiny, thick, and full of vitality. When wiping, make sure to clean both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients are absorbed evenly, promoting more effective photosynthesis and reducing the risk of fungal infections and pest attacks. This method should be applied 1 to 2 times per week, especially suitable for orchids with dull leaves, slow growth, or those recovering from stress. Besides orchids, you can also apply this care method to many other plants in your garden. Here, I will wipe the leaves of an anthurium plant. Just like when caring for orchids, use a soft cloth or cotton pad lightly soaked with the aloe vera and vitamin B. One solution, then slowly and gently wipe each side of the anthurium's leaves. This method helps remove dust, mineral deposits, and harmful agents on the leaf surface, while providing natural nutrients from aloe vera to support quick leaf recovery. Combined with vitamin B1, it enhances metabolism, boosts resistance, and stimulates growth. This method should be applied 1 to 2 times per week, especially useful for anthuriums with dull leaves, slow growth, or those that haven't been cared for in a long time. Method 3. Pour the aloe vera and vitamin B, one solution into a specialized spray bottle, then mist it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Misting helps the nutrients, vitamins, and natural enzymes from aloe vera, combined with B1, to evenly penetrate all parts of the plant, supporting increased resistance and reducing bacteria, mold, and other harmful agents. The solution also helps the leaves become greener and shinier, improves photosynthesis, and promotes even, healthy growth from roots to tips. You should spray once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to allow the leaves and roots to absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal growth. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant will be better protected, reducing the risk of leaf and tip rot, while maintaining a healthy state with thick, glossy, and vibrant leaves full of vitality. Results. After applying this care method for a while, my orchid pots have shown very clear and positive changes day by day. The most noticeable improvement is in the roots. New roots keep emerging. Their tips are plump, green, and strong, a clear sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients from aloe vera and vitamin B1 very well and recovering quickly. The leaves have also improved significantly. The orchid leaves have turned a deeper green, with a smooth, glossy surface and a thick, firm texture. Leaves that were once wrinkled and lifeless are now full and vibrant, showing that the plant has been nourished correctly and at the right time during the recovery phase. For plants that previously grew slowly, new shoots are beginning to emerge from the base. In some pots, new flower spikes have already appeared and are growing tall and strong, a sign that the plants are fully stabilized and ready for the next flowering cycle. Each blooming flower not only showcases natural beauty, but also reflects persistence, gentle care, and the use of appropriate nutrients. This simple method not only helps orchids grow vigorously, but also brings positive changes to the entire garden, keeping plants lush, healthy, and full of life. How do you feel about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever used aloe vera or vitamin B1 for your orchids? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear the stories from your garden. If you find this content useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Great Garden to continue joining me in videos sharing simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next green journey.